Alright folks, it's Fook and I'm out in the backyard for some more backyard cooking. Today I'm going to cook chicken stir fry with mushrooms and zucchini. So we're having a heat wave today. I don't know if you can see. It was at 103 degrees. So this is why I cook outside in the summer. It's not always this hot in San Diego, but whatever the heck's going on this year is not good. So that means I'm outside cooking. This is fairly simple. It's just a stir fry with some teriyaki sauce, soy sauce. You can add a little bit of red pepper flakes to it if you like. I'm not going to do that, but you can. So what I like to do is cook my chicken first, and then I remove it, saute the veggies, dump everything back in, and then add my sauce. Alright, so the chicken is cooked, and I'm going to transfer it to a separate plate, a clean plate. So I have one with that I kept the raw chicken in, and then I have a clean plate. Take that out. I love cooking with induction because the response to temperature change is instantaneous. You can see that as soon as I hit the power off, the sizzling kind of stopped like immediately. All right. I'm going to heat up the pan again, and I'm going to toss in my zucchini, onions, and mushrooms. I'm cooking on relatively low heat, so I'm just using olive oil. I'm not worried about getting the oil too hot or smoked up or anything like that. So I'll just saute this for a while until it's done, and then we'll continue. Alright, the vegetables have cooked down, and the onions have just begun to caramelize. So I'm going to add the chicken back in. Add my red pepper flakes. A little more. I'm going to reduce the heat just so slightly. And now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce. So I'm using Kikkoman teriyaki sauce. It's got sesame seed in it. It's basically soy sauce with a bit of sugar, sesame seed, I think just a touch of garlic. But now that I have the sauce in, it's pretty much done. I'm going to stir fry this for about 60 seconds just to get it to coat all the veggies and the meat. This dish is mostly veggies, which is good. But that's pretty much it. So let's go plate this sucker. Turn off my stove. All right, we're ready to go eat. All right, I'm ready to plate this. Just have a plate of steamed jasmine rice. And I'll just put half of this on top. This is for two. And it's basically just one medium-sized zucchini, a couple of mushrooms, and one chicken thigh that I cut up. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go have dinner. See ya.